Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another watch review video. Today I just received something uh, pretty interesting in the mail today. It is the TIMEX Expedition. Um, I wanted to review this watch. I just took it out of the package. I wanted to review this watch, and I specifically wanted to review this watch. I actually purchased it at the same time that I purchased this Casio Neo Blue. Um, I wanted to kind of compare the two. I haven't taken it off of the case yet, or off of the display arm yet. But I am going to go over this watch by itself, and then I'm going to actually do a review where I compare the two side by side. So if you do like this content, please make sure you give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe if you want to see more watches. The thumbs up really does help. I'm at 200 subscribers today. Woke up today and saw 200 subscribers, and I'm already making money on my affiliate links. So I am really thankful to all of my subscribers. You guys are awesome. You're helping me build this channel from the ground up. I have launched themselves.To. I put that together last night. It is kind of still in the beta phase. I'm figuring out what's going to work best, but basically what I'm doing is I'm going to post links to these watches that I review on my website, so you guys can just head right over to davethewatchman.com and click on the link, and it'll bring you right to Amazon. They are affiliate links, so I do earn a small commission on each sale. It does not cost you anything extra, but it does send a couple of dollars over to me from the sale of each watch. So if you do like this Timex Expedition, I will be posting a link to this in the description below, and I will also be posting it on davethewatchman.com, so you can just head on over there and pick it up. But once again, thank you to all of my subscribers. You guys are great. You're making this possible. I'm at 200 subscribers, and I'm only 2 months old at this point, so it's happening really fast, and I couldn't do it without you. So anyway, without further ado, let me get into this watch. It's the Timex Expedition, and I was interested in getting a watch that I could wear outside or to the beach, or while I was working out in the yard or working on a car, without having to worry about it getting damaged. And I picked up the Timex Expedition. I have to say, at a first glance, I think it's a nice watch. The only thing that does kind of bother me about it is that the bezel does not rotate. I think that should have come with a rotating bezel. It says it's Indiglo, but I don't know. I can't really test the lume on it right now. It's in the middle of the day, and there is no button to light it up, so it's probably just an Indiglo lume as opposed to a lighted watch, which that's kind of a little disappointing, because I figured it would be a lighted watch, being that it is an Indiglo. It does have the date on it. It's a nice crisp looking face. It looks really nice. It's a light watch. I haven't put it on yet, so I don't know how it feels on the wrist. It looks like it's probably going to be ergonomic, but let's get this one off so that I can try it out here. Okay. Now, I don't really remember what the price range of this watch was, but I think it was somewhere in the neighborhood of $20, $20 to $25. But overall, it seems like a decent watch. I know this isn't supposed to be the comparison video yet, but this one's a lot more comfortable. And there are a couple of things that I like more about this one than this one, but I'll save that for the review, for the comparison video. Overall though, guys, if you're looking for a decent watch that you can wear outside, or like I said, working on your car, mowing the lawn, whatever, if you're a mechanic or whatever, I would have worn this while I was a mechanic. I definitely you can wear this in any type of a trade position. You don't have to worry about it getting damaged. It's light enough to where it doesn't feel like you've got something bulky on your arm. It's a pretty decent watch. You know, Timex is great quality, so it's a great quality build. It's got this little notch that kind of holds the band in place, which is kind of cool. But I typically like to wear, I don't know, I like to wear it down there a little bit more. It would have been nice if they had a couple more of those notches throughout the band so that you could place this where you wanted it. Other than that, it's a really nice watch. I mean, if any of you guys out there have a Timex Expedition and you know about it, you know, definitely post that in the description, in the comment section below. But I have to say that the best part about this watch is the clarity of the face. I mean, it's a real crisp looking design, just provided that I can get it to focus here. I mean, that's a real crisp looking design. I mean, it's nice and sharp. I really do think it's a sharp looking watch. Really, really nice looking face on it. I like what they did with the second hand and putting the logo on the second hand there. It's really just really sharp and crisp. Like I said, my only complaints about it was I wish it would have had the rotating bezel and maybe a couple more of these notches so you could replace this. But otherwise, really nice watch. It's nice and light, something that you probably won't realize you have on your arm. Good quality watch all around. I would definitely recommend it. I will be posting a link to this in the description below. And like I said, I'll be posting it also on the newly launched themselves.To website. So if you guys want to head on over to themselves.To, you'll see this watch. I'll be posting it right after I post this video. And I will also be posting a link to this in the description below, so you guys can head on over and pick one of these guys up. But like I said, if you guys like this content and you want it to keep on coming, please do give that thumbs up, like, and subscribe. If you want to see more of these watch review videos, that subscription really does help out. And if you are thinking about purchasing any of these watches, they are available on my website at davethewatchman.com. And I am also posting them in the descriptions below the watch videos themselves. So, once again, if you like it, thumbs up, like, and subscribe. If you want to see more watch review videos coming your way, I am getting new watches in every single day. I've got a really big Sheen order coming in, probably within the next week or two. And I'm always getting watches in every single day. So, I will be posting videos, more videos, constantly. So if you, like I said, if you do like this content, thumbs up. That's about all I have to go over with today's video. I just wanted to do a quick review on this Timex Expedition. It is a really sharp looking watch and I do recommend it. So with that said, my name is Dave the Watchman. I review budget friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. So until the next watch review video, I will see you guys and I hope you have a great day.